Make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about 2 common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Charger, and if you guys need to find where the fuse for the blind spot detector is located, stay with us, we'll explain that. That's for the blind spot fuse, guys. We'll talk where the fuse is. Common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars when replacing a fuse or a relay if you do something wrong, and also where you can buy cheap fuses and relays from. All that will be covered today. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys want to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge or any vehicle, you want to get them at a good price, quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's continue now. So this V8, it should work the same. This specifically is 2018 model. Most people will go ahead and open the hood and they will hope that the fuse is in that fuse box here, but it's not, guys. It's actually hidden. Let's talk about that now. But before we continue, many of you guys have been asking us lately in the comment section below to share information about good scanner, good diagnostic tool, because many tools are on the market. It's flooded and some of those are not as good, guys. This is our favorite one, purchased with our own money. It works on almost any car you can think of. It's a tool that can pay itself off in one-time use. I would definitely, guys, recommend it. Great tool, and you can access every computer system, read codes, delete codes, and see live data. And some of these new cars, guys, look at that BMW there. It has more than 50, close to 60 computers, so definitely a computer like that is a must. So let's explain where the blind spot fuse is now. So you will need to open the trunk of your Dodge, guys, Dodge Charger. You will need to lift up the cargo cover here, and underneath it what you're going to find: spare tire and car battery. 3 common mistakes people make. Number 1, it's recommended, guys, often to actually disconnect the car battery when replacing a fuse or a relay. And on these modern cars, that's where the second mistake comes in place. People do not know, but it's very important which battery terminal you disconnect first and which one you reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can easily, guys, damage computers, electronics, modules. How we know that? We learned that the hard way. We messed up a computer on Mercedes and that cost us $2,000. We have the fuse box located right here on the back. You press right here and you pull it out, just like that. Now let's get here and talk about the fuses and relays. That's where mistake number 3 comes in place. People will try to look and see if the fuse is burned. Sometimes fuses may seem perfectly fine and you may not be able to clearly see if they're bad. We will always recommend to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your money on parts, tools, and other guys, and practically your time to fix a problem that doesn't exist. So we will put a link in the description of the video below to a video that will teach you how to test fuses, relays, and also where to buy cheap fuses and relays from. Check it out, all that will be on our channel. So where is now that fuse, guys? This fuse is actually known as blind spot fuse, guys, and that fuse will be behind that relay. So we're going to remove it right here, pull it out, and the fuse, starting from left to right, you have fuse number 1, 2, 3. That third 15 fuse, guys, that's the one that you need to check. So we'll go ahead, pull it out with the fuse puller, and replace it with a new one. We'll grab the new one and push it back in. After that, don't forget to install the relay if you removed it because you couldn't access it. This relay specifically, guys, it's the ignition relay, very important relay. That's why it's recommended to disconnect the car battery. Put the cover, you're ready to go. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.